All right, Miguel's going to cut this old tin so we can put it on the chicken tractor. And you want to tell them the thing that you do in order to cut tin with the skill saw? What do you do?
First, unplug it from electricity. Before you switch blade backwards.
You turn the blade in reverse. Just flip it over.
You take this thing loose with a, I believe it's 9/16, and switch the blade around. So actually this one's for cut 2x4s, but if you switch it around,
You can cut tin.
you can see the things as
The blades run
you can
backwards.
cut it, yeah.
All right, you got to plug it back up.
The reason I unplug it because I always think by doing the things safe.
Oh, I see you got your safety glasses on. Thank goodness.
Yeah, because it don't take about 1 second.
And you don't have an eye.
And yeah, I needed gloves, but I lost it. So I can't run to the store. So I'm gonna have to be very, very careful, hold it. I don't have to move it back and forth, I'm just gonna hold it. But yeah, I always think safety first.
Wow. I think you needed plugs for your ears too. All right, one more. That's all the tin we have, but we're gonna make a sheltered area on this end down here where the food is.
Got it. This one.
All right. That's how you cut tin, right, Miguel?
Well, it's not really the easy way.
But you
We
do what you
always-
got the tools to do with. Miguel's putting the screws into the tin that's going to be on the sheltered side of the chicken tractor. Miguel's putting the old siding on the bottom of each side on the bottom of the chicken tractor. So he's got that one almost on. He's got this one on this side cut. And it's going to go on the bottom of this side. got the tin on. He got the back side on. So that's the shelter for the food, so the food don't get wet, and the chickens will have a sheltered area if it rains and they want to get out of the rain. Some chickens like rain. But he's continuing his work. And I don't know if he showed you that Miguel's been working on his chicken tractor again today. As you can see, he's got it framed in for the doors. It's going to have 2 doors, one to open each way so you can get to the food and the water.
We're gonna lock it right there.
Yep.
One open this way, one open that way.
Right. And he's got his wheels on, and he's got his little door framed in the front in case he ever wants to put one of those automatic doors on it. When we get rich and we get the Premier fencing and the automatic doors and wish. And he's got his food area covered. He's got this side completed this far. It's got tin on it. He had 2 extra pieces of the siding, and if he finds more, he's going to cover the rest of this side with it. Now he's going to, and this is the ridge cap that's going to go on when it's a finished product. And all this is made out of scrap, of course, but it's going to be functional. He's going to pressure wash it, and we'll paint it. And he's going to demonstrate how the wheels work, how he moves it around. It's not light at all. And he's going to move it around with his lawnmower.
You have to be young to do this.
He said you have to be young to do this.
We gotta put something on it to.
Yeah, we've got the big pipe that he's going to attach to the front for a handle, for leverage to lift it up and not have to hug so tight to the front of the pen. All right, Miguel, that's wonderful. All right, so he'll be back when he does more work on it to show you the progress.
The feeder don't have to come down.
Yeah, he's going to put chains on the feeders. He just got them hanging in there just to demonstrate where they're going to be and to make sure we can reach them from the doors. All right, Miguel, we'll be back when he does some more work on it. Thank you for watching. All right, Miguel's putting the bar on the front in order to lift this chicken tractor and be able to move it around. His tools have all stopped working. He's down to the last drill, the one he's had for 100 years. 2 drills already quit. 2 of them are all electric and really old. So he's hoping that one day soon he'll be able to get him a Ryobi with 2 batteries in order to do his little piddling work with. But this is what he's done today. He's worked and got a little front door made. Still got to put the hinges and lock on it. He's got the bar that you lift and push and pull with, give him more leverage. And yeah, he's working on it. So he's going to show you how it works. See, that's a whole lot better than trying to lift it over there, standing too close to it.
I'll probably use my lawnmower.
Yeah.
To part.
All right. We'll keep you updated on the progress. Thank you for watching.
Hello, my friends. Hope you do this fun. I'm still working down here on this chicken tractor. It takes me longer than normal because we try to use all the scraps we have. Hey, not gonna stay that dirty. The reason it's dirty because we got all this material behind the stars. Try that right there. But you can see this all built with a scrap metal, scrap siding. All the base around is cedar slabs. And down here we put this little door down here. We just gotta put a lock somewhere down here. But even the inches, we got that one for years. We never thought we're gonna use it one day, and here they are. We take it out of the old door from the house, and never throw nothing away. Something you might be reuse it one day. And down here, and this triangle down here, it's gonna be hardwood cloth like this on this triangle. And then here, it's gonna be 2 doors. This one on the left gonna open this way, and this one down here, they're gonna open this. This one's gonna open to the left side, and this one's gonna open to the right side. But both of them gonna have a lock down here. And this, gotta find another piece of this top, probably another 16 or 20 inches. I found it somewhere. So far, this is what it's gonna look like. The feeder gonna go down like probably, let's say like 6 or 8 inches from the ground. Same time with this one. We just put a pencil string down here just to show well how that's gonna hang. Down here we might put some kind of another piece of 1x4 or something. We don't know this part, but so far this is what it's gonna be. Little door right here, little door right here. This one open to the left, and this one gonna be open to the right. That way we can reach it. We have to put water. We can reach it from outside. Same time at the feeder, we can reach it from outside. My friend, I hope you do just fine. I'm gonna try to pressure wash it because you can see I say I built them from scraps, so it's dirty. So I'm gonna pressure wash it. I got my pressure washer down here. After I pressure wash it, just put the doors, little doors in the other end, little door right there, cover it again, and that'd be it. Probably paint a little bit. We're gonna try to make it look a little bit dark. Well, we're gonna set this on a slow motion and see how this gonna work. I'm sorry, apologize. Made a mistake. I say I'm gonna set it on slow motion. It's a time lapse. Sorry, made a mistake. But when I made a mistake, I'm kind of person I accept I made a mistake. So I apologize for that. So I'm gonna sit on a time lapse and see how it works. All right, my friends, we're back. Working down here on this chicken tractor. You see, I probably mentioned on the beginning of the video that we want to paint a dark color. When we go to Lowe's to pick some screws, we found when they made a mistake and mix the paint wrong, and it's already a little bit dark. So my wife got extra dark paint down here, and she mixed it, and that's what it turns out. And she took this paint too. You see, we put a cap what you use on a house roof all the way on the top. This siding, probably lying there for same years. Down here in the front, we can put put this door down here. You see they open. And down here, we're gonna put a lock. See, we fixed the front work down here on the front area. We got a handle. You can lift it down here and move it around. Open. And close. This one, same thing. Open. Close. So, and this is 1, 2, small lots. We're not gonna put no big lots. 3 small lots. And 2 pieces chain, probably 16, probably 16, between 16 and 20 inches long. Because what we're going to put down here, it's going to be a mixed chickens. And here's all the wire is from the pieces we got it down here around. We use siding and metal all the way around. Then every time we take a door or gate out, we take the nails off, take the hinges off, put them up. And we always think that one day we're going to use it, and here they are, we use it. We use the scraps. We use, I think on this building, all we buy is the wheels and screws. Yeah, the wheels and screws. Let's see. This old swing, you see the basin inside. We don't buy lumber. I got this cedar slabs left after I finished the chicken coop. And this was used that here. We still have a few more left, but I don't think we're going to use it that year. You see, we put 2 slabs in the bottom. What is 4 like 2 foot long. 4 pieces of 4 foot. 2 foot long. And we just put 1 in each corner. Put 1 slab on top, 1 on the bottom, make a base, then set the all swing, screw them in. Well, you can see we make a holes right there, so they swing. Sit right there. I'll make a hole like that on every corner. And the doors, these doors, we got a wood scrap down here that we've been having on the Stars mobile home for a while. So we kind of finished using everything we have been collecting for years. And my wife is doing all the painting. I probably make sure her at the back. She loves painting. And this thing down here, we used to have this when our dogs, that was probably like 6 months old. I built like a table, and this one sticks out, and we tie the leash down here and put a dog on the table so we can give the dog a bath. And we don't use it but a couple times, and they've been sitting there. We got an idea to put it down here so we don't get to spend no money. I know I watch it everywhere around, like Home Depot, Lowe's, Tractor Supply. A small chicken trap. Small. Every close to $800 to $900. Real small. This one ain't big, but for me it's free because I already got the materials. I know they involve a lot of work, but I enjoy when I do something like this. I keep my mind busy on something, and I feel like I do something productive. And I know some people tell me, yeah, I watch your video on YouTube. People I know that don't, they told me they don't subscribe to the channel yet. He said we want to come to see how you work, how you build things. I said, okay. I just hope you come and help, because watching me, that ain't gonna help them. I just speaking on them, because I know them for a while. Probably 5-10 years. And there was a Spanish guys. And they also, I don't know, they try picking on me. They say, why don't you make videos in Spanish since you speak Spanish? I said, well, that was a good idea, but most of my subscribers, they understand English, and I want to learn more English. I actually like to learn 2 more languages. I I don't start it yet, but I think I'm gonna start it probably next year. I like to learn Italian and French because a lot of words in Italian language, there's a lot of words that sounds like Spanish. It's a little bit different, but I think I can learn Italian faster than